Hello friends, let's solve another LeetCode problem. Problem name is longest substring without repeating characters. So we'll be given an input string. We'll have to find the longest substring which will have the distinct characters. For example, in the given string ABC is the substring AB. We can take either ABC or CAB, which is having distinct character A, B, and C, and of length 3. Let's see another example. In this one, we have a repetition of B. Since B is the only character, the only substring possible without repetition is B, which is of length 1. Uh, on the third example, we can see we have distinct characters P, W, K, E. But since P, W, K, E is doesn't exist as a substring, so we'll either have to settle with WKE or KEW, which is the maximum possible substring with distinct characters. So let's start. In order to solve this, let's take this as example and type the corresponding indexes. So what we'll do is we'll take a left pointer and take a right pointer, and both will start from this zeroth end. Both will start from the zeroth end, and we'll slowly increment our right index, and we'll take an external data set. We'll take an external data set, or you can say it hash map, to save as we go. So initially our right pointer would be at A. We'll check A doesn't exist in data set, so we'll add A0, A and corresponding index. Next we'll increment. Next our right pointer will be at B, so we'll put B1, B1. Next and so on. We'll put C1. When again we'll fetch A. At this time we already have A in our data set, and if we put A again, it won't be unique. So what we'll do is our current window is ABC. What we'll do is we'll slide our window a bit one step ahead, so that we'll get BCA, and so this A will be gone, and this A will be gone, and we'll have our new index BCA. So we'll update our left index, and so on. Similarly, again when we receive B on the next character, we'll increment our left index to the existing index of B plus 1. So we'll have the new window as CAB. So let's start coding. We'll take data, our external hash set. We'll take a left pointer, left equals to 0, right equals to 0. We'll take a result variable to save the length of the substring, unique substring. We'll initialize with 0. We'll start our while loop. While right less than length of s. Here we'll check whether our whether our character exists in the dataset or not. So a sub right in data. If exist, we'll update our left. So left would be max of existing left, or s of right. We'll get the index of this character in our data set. So we'll put data this, and we'll increment plus 1 to avoid the repeating character. And if the character doesn't exist, we'll put that in our data set equals to, and we'll save the index right, and we'll calculate the length. Our length would be our existing length or right minus left plus 1 will be our new length. So out of the two, we'll set the maximum length since we want to output the maximum length. Now we'll increment our right plus equals to 1, and out of the loop we'll return result. Let's run. A B C A B. Uh, we didn't put the actual index as of right. Instead of we written only right. Let's rerun. Yeah, here we go. We have our output expected as same as expected output. For case 3, it's PBB. We have 1, and case 3, PWKEW. Our output is 3. Thank you for watching.